As we celebrate the 72nd birthday of the NHS, we wanted to say a huge thank you
to colleagues, friends, family and especially all other key workers
who have helped us in the First Community to keep our heads above water whilst delivering our health and care services in the most challenging of times.
We would like to thank you all from the bottom of our hearts because you all make a real difference. Thank you.
To take an opportunity to say a big thank you to everybody out there that supported us during the COVID pandemic. So it's a big thank you from me to all of the team leaders and all of their teams who worked really, really hard, doing lots of things in different ways, and to all of our patients as well for working with us.
I'd just like to say a big thank you to all the teams across long-term condition support services. You've all been amazingly flexible and proactive in dealing with a difficult time. A really big thank you to the staff redeployed from musculoskeletal physio who've helped our COVID rehab team. It's been amazing working with you. And finally, thank you to all our patients for your patience with us while we adapt to our new ways of working.
Hi, I would like to say thank you to First Community as a whole, really, the IT department for getting us all set up and able to do remote consultations so quickly. I'd like to say thank you to our patients. Again, as Alison just said, for being patient with us and for being really accepting of the change in how we've approached their care. And I'd also like to say thank you to all of the First Dietitians team for again being so adaptable and flexible. Thank you.
So I would like to say a massive thank you to the audiology team who have worked in a completely different way and completely reinvented how they work, like most of our other services in First Community. I'd like to say a massive thank you to the other leads of services for all your support, and I would like to say a big thank you to our patients who have just been amazing in adapting to this completely new way of getting audiology care, so thank you.
I'd just like to say thank you to all support services, I'd say the other leads and all First Community staff, all the patients and especially the podiatry service, the patients with regards to how they've been very supportive with all the different measures, the clerical staff and our other key workers that are coming in to actually help us, and especially to the podiatrists, the orthotist has been working across at Oxted, and as I say, all the clerical staff that's really supported us. So thank you.
I want to say thank you to all of my team members in ICAT. We've, as with everybody else, completely changed the way that we work. So for the clinicians who have been working in spare bedrooms, dining rooms, kitchens, the admin team who have been here at Oxted Therapies throughout the pandemic with smiley faces and laughs and jokes to keep us all going. I want to thank the other support services that have enabled us to change the way that we're working and supported us in that. I want to thank personally the support that I've had from members of my team and other people across the organisation, and of course not forgetting the patients for being understanding that they're not getting the usual service, but hopefully they're getting a very good service in place of what we would like to provide.
The paediatric physiotherapy team wants to say lots of thank yous. We're in the park having our first socially distanced get together through COVID-19. So thank you, FCHC.
Thank you to our lovely families who have accepted new ways of working, coped with all of our troublesome video sessions and worked really hard with their children.
Thank you for all the companies that donated gifts for us.
Thank you to the IT teams who set us all up for remote working, which meant we could carry on doing brilliant things with our kids and their families.
All the FCHC frontline staff who couldn't work remotely and who did really hard work working on the front line.
Thank you!
Happy birthday, NHS. I've been proud to deliver your services for nearly 32 years. I'm a paediatric physiotherapist, and I would really like to say thank you to the team of volunteers who have produced these wonderful scrubs for us to wear when we deliver care to our patients and families in their homes. The bright colours are so joyful and cheer everybody up. They're comfy, they're cool, so when we're behind the masks, we're not getting too hot. So I would like to say thank you very much to you all and happy birthday NHS. And here are the scrubs. Ta-da!
I just want to thank NHS and all staff for looking after the whole of the country and being there when we need NHS. Thank you.
Very proud to be in the NHS and thanks for 72 years of fantastic care. I just want to thank the NHS for the opportunities and the training, for having such lovely colleagues and also such wonderful patients. So thank you very much.
And I'm just thanking the National Health Service for 25 years of employment and the ability, well, being afforded the ability to serve the hearing impaired community. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Cara. I work for audiology. I have done for 16 years. I just want to say thank you for everything you've done for me.
I've had the pleasure to work with an amazing team within the NHS for the past 3 years. And I just want to say a big thank you to everything and everyone that works for the NHS. It's a wonderful organisation.
I just want to say thank you to the NHS and happy birthday. But I just wanted to say thank you to the NHS and for the amazing audiology team for making my job worthwhile. I'm really thankful and happy birthday NHS.
Thank you to everyone who has sent such generous gifts and donations in to our staff and made this difficult time that much easier for everybody. Thank you and happy birthday.
I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone that has supported us at this most challenging of times. Your support, generosity and positivity has kept us going and we love you all. Thank you.